Welcome back to Steampunk Tuesday. I'm Ben and this is Jerry.
You're me.
We have ordered our greenhouse. We are super excited. We are getting old. To celebrate this momentous occasion,
Yes.
I have made Mike a gardening journal.
He has.
A vegetable gardening journal. To write all your bits and bats in.
Yes, so I can take notes, write down when I've planted things, when I've sown seeds, when things can be harvested. Just basically a journal for gardening notes.
So, let's have a look. You can see your hands.
I want it. I want it. It's mine.
It's not yours yet. Okay, so this is what I've made Mike.
Yes.
It is a vegetal growing journal. So, let's start at the beginning.
Yes.
On the front, I have a panel and it's got Victorian woodcut illustrations of fruit and vegetables on it.
Yes.
But of course on the front we have a seed packet, and what's special about the seed packet?
It's got my name on it.
It has the world famous Deakin's premium seeds. Pack contains 12 months supply.
Lovely.
But also there's a little tag. You pull that out and you have working with nature, enjoy tasty treats.
Have you got the dog's teeth in
I think
today?
I have. And then somewhere to write on the back.
Yes.
So
Which is lovely.
it's all distressed on the edges.
Thank you very much. Do
You're
appreciate that.
You're welcome. That slides back in there.
Mm-hmm.
And then as we open it up, we have a little pocket on the front.
Look at the birdie.
Look at the birdie. Look at the birdie. Always dressed to impress. I like that one with the Wellingtons on. Open it up and you've got your journaling card to write on.
Absolutely.
First page is these are beetroot.
Fantastic.
So we have some Victorian illustration of beetroot, a little birdie on the welly bobs. And we have a different pocket.
I love the feel of this journal.
It's very vintage, but also very reminiscent of 50s.
It's kind of got that retro kind of mid-mod kind
It's
of...
50s America. That's what it's all about.
Yeah, I know it's supposed to be Steampunk Tuesday, but
Hey, it's got Victorian illustrations in. Hey, don't hold me to it. So we have
and the sunflowers.
the sunflowers, because he loves sunflowers.
I do love sunflowers.
We've got a nice page there. That's I think that's, what's it called? Celeriac, is it?
It could be.
The aniseed one.
Oh yeah. It's celeriac. It could be a turnip though.
Yeah, it could be a turnip. Then we've got the
A pumpkin.
and
gourd cord.
sweet corn.
Yes.
I like these little pockets myself with the tall cards. These are apples. These are all watercolour illustrations.
Yeah.
But you can write in there as well.
Fantastic stuff.
World famous Easy Grow premium seeds.
They're lovely. And of course you've got your wrinkly paper again.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Vintage your wrinkly paper.
So then we've got a cabbage or a cauliflower.
I think that maybe
Cabbage.
it's Savoy.
Savoy,
Yes.
yeah.
And of course you have the carrot there.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know
Yep.
that some carrots are purple?
I do. I saw some once.
Okay.
I wouldn't fancy eating them though, it's just wrong.
Well, that's why the orange ones became more popular, because people didn't really like the purple
It's like
ones.
blue cakes.
So apparently they're supposed to taste the same.
Yeah, Dad says they do.
Yeah.
And we've got weights of your prized vegetables.
Yes.
Your king-size marrow.
The blue cakes, I mean green cakes.
Yeah, green cakes, yeah. Then we have remember page. These got some peppers on it.
Yes.
Little trug there with all the vegetables
Some lovely
picked.
capsicums.
Another one, enjoy healthy living. That's
Lovely.
another one, of course, you can write in all these.
Yeah, I love all the illustrations there. Of course, you've got bees as well there, sunflowers.
Oh yeah.
What's not to love? I mean, even if you are not necessarily a keen gardener,
No.
but you just like doing bits.
Potter.
Yeah.
You could write lists to go to the shops in.
Well,
and-
if you want plants and stuff that you want to put in your garden, or even if you're a container gardener,
Yeah.
you can still write lists and stuff of what flowers go well with
Yeah,
others, and
yeah.
like nice colour combination.
Companion planting.
Yeah, and stuff to put in the pots.
Like basil and tomatoes. You plant basil by tomatoes, your tomatoes don't get tomato blight because the basil, the bumblebees and that, get rid of it.
The insects don't
Yeah.
like it, yeah.
Got garlic there.
Garlic.
Garlic. Time to share. It's always time to share when you have a garden, a nice
Yes.
garden.
Love it, love it. Oh, mushies.
Yep. Nice mushrooms on there.
Nice
Could only
stuff.
put 3 on because there wasn't mushroom for any more. Okay. Then we've got the full colour centre pages. These
Love
are lovely.
those.
Look at that.
I know, it's great.
So you've got somewhere to write there, but also you've got all these to write in. And there's nothing to stop you from making your own little tuck-ins. Little pieces of card, just roll some lines or print some lines.
Because it's an elasticated, like a traveller's notebook kind, you can add your own pages to it. It's not a problem.
Just slide them in, slide them out.
Yeah. You could even stick in your own seed packets that you've actually planted.
That'd be lovely.
And write down, when's best to harvest, when, best time to sow.
Just put some paper inside, slip it in, and away you go.
Yeah. Seed catalogues even.
Oh yeah. Tasty treats.
Love it.
But they've all got that really, really lovely feel about them.
Yeah. I think what I'll probably use for this is maybe write down like the websites and stuff as well that I like to buy my seeds and plug plants and seedlings from, that kind of stuff.
You can keep it and it can be a catalogue to remember where you got stuff from last year, because we can never remember where we buy stuff.
No, exactly.
You can put business cards in if you just clip them on with a stapler.
Yeah.
From people, shops and places you go to.
Paper clips.
Oh, paper, yeah. That'd be nice.
I've got some little mini index cards I could also use.
Oh, that'd be nice, just clipped on the corners.
Yeah, or tucked into those little tuck spots. I can't wait to get started. Can I have it yet?
Not yet, no.
Okay.
And then the back. Mum says this is her favourite.
Oh, yeah.
Always time to grow. And they're not small, these. These measure...
There is, I think there's a... There you go.
Thank God he's got a new ruler. Mike has a new ruler. They measure 3 1/4.
Yes.
It feels nice, this ruler. By 4 3/4. So they're a good size.
Yeah.
They're not tiny. Move that off of that. And then the inside back, got little bees again. I've put the bees on all the pockets.
Well, they're lovely. I mean, obviously we need bees for pollination.
We do, and I will put a Vending Industries logo on the back.
Oh, thanks for that. I really do appreciate it. So, and I like the fact that you've done a green cover on this one, which is why you've gone to a red cover on the table today.
It is, so you'll be able to see it better. Yeah.
But yeah, I love the fact that you've got that lovely, it's a nice thick cover as
well.
Oh,
it's so 350 gram, 400 gram card.
Yeah, and I love this panel. I mean, obviously you've distressed it somewhat
I have.
around the edges. So it's lovely. Thank you very much for doing that.
You're welcome. But
what?
I have news.
Have you?
If anybody would like one of these for a husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend for Christmas, partner,
okay,
I'm going to make them available on the website, which
Right.
means that you will have your own name in there.
Ooh.
So rather than being Deakin seeds, which is no good if you're not called Deakin, is it would have seeds. It would have Franco seeds, or Sayers seeds, or anybody. All my favourite customers. You know what I'm saying.
Basically, where it says Deakin, you could have
Your
somebody
surname.
else's name.
Yeah, and if you want to put somebody else's surname in for Christmas, drop me an email, or just drop me an email to tell me.
It doesn't just have to be surname though, does it?
No.
You could put
Julia's seeds, Catherine's seeds,
Stevens.
Yeah, Stevens. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody's. But I didn't put Ian's in there because mine's a short name and it wouldn't work. But Michael's seeds would work.
Yeah.
Just if you don't want the surname, or somebody else's surname, or just a Christian name, just let me know.
Just let you know what name you want putting on there.
But I just think it's so pretty.
Yeah, it's lovely. But also, I mean, if you're trying to get maybe like children, like grandkids involved and learning how to grow and plant and that kind of stuff, it's an activity that you can do with kids. This would be ideal for them as well because they can write down and draw maybe pictures of what they've planted.
That'd be lovely, and staple them, and you could actually garden with your grandchildren.
Absolutely.
Or your children.
Yeah, exactly.
And just staple pictures in. It's like a memory book as well.
It is.
What a lovely idea.
Take little photographs of them in the garden and stuff and put them in with it. So I think it's a really nice little thing, and it's something that you can share. So husbands and wives can share, wives and wives, husbands and husbands, whatever.
Yeah.
You
can all share.
You can use it as your household gardening
journal. Our journey through gardening.
Absolutely, yeah. And of course, you could always decorate it as well. You can press flowers in there. It doesn't have to be just for veggies.
No.
It can be for anything.
Well, you could put anything in you want, really. But as you say, it'd be lovely to have a little record of gardening with your children or your grandchildren or your husband or your wife.
Yeah.
And it's something to remember.
Yes.
What a lovely idea. I never thought of that.
There you go, you see.
And don't forget, we've still got the little secret.
Secret stash tag.
Yes. So that is my offering for today. I do hope you enjoyed it. I know it's not steampunky, but I just wanted to show it because I made it for Mike.
It's something different.
It is something different. Next week we have something quite dark. Well, not dark. We have a jewel robbery next week.
Is this kind of like a whodunit kind of crimey kind of thing again.
Funnily enough, it is.
Excellent.
But the star of the story is you out there in YouTube land.
Fantastic. Right, well, on that note, don't forget, if you've enjoyed watching this little flick through, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel already, you can do so by clicking the button at the end of the video. That's all from us for now.
No, not yet.
We'll see you all again later.
I'm going to have to smack his legs, ladies and gentlemen, but he may enjoy that.
On that note,
bye for now.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.